Myth number 1.
What a photo, sir. I'm sure, sir, you took this by using a very expensive camera.
Meaning expensive camera for this shot.
Yeah.
Which means I need to go to a 5-star to have a good chai. Arey yaar, our Maharaj, he makes such nice chai. I've had horrible chai from one of the finest restaurants. Good equipments or expensive equipments doesn't guarantee you pictures automatically. It's your craft. It's the way you compose, the thought that has gone behind it, using the right equipment for the right kind of situations. That's what matters. Well, you've seen great pictures shot with a mobile phone. Having the most expensive camera don't automatically guarantee great pictures. समझा?
Yes, sir.
Myth number 2.
भैया ये आप ले लो, ये मुझे।
नहीं, मुझे इससे शूट करना है।
क्या हो गया भाई?
सर मुझे इससे शूट करना है।
क्यों?
ज्यादा मेगापिक्सल मतलब ज्यादा अच्छे फोटोज।
अच्छा, ये ज्यादा मेगापिक्सल है एक काम,
हाँ
और इससे ज्यादा अच्छा फोटो मिलेगा।
हाँ।
अरे क्या क्या करूं मैं इसका, क्या करूं?
ओके, व्हाट इज दिस?
चॉकलेट।
चॉकलेट ना, ये चॉकलेट बार में 24 क्यूब्स है। इसको मैं 48 क्यूब्स बनाया, मतलब तुमको ज्यादा चॉकलेट मिला?
नहीं,
सेम हिसाब है। मोर रेजोल्यूशन डजंट मीन बेटर पिक्चर्स, समझा? रेजोल्यूशन इधर है, पर असली फोटो इधर है, समझा?
Myth number 3.
भैया आज वेदर बहुत अच्छा है, चलो कुछ शूट करते हैं।
ओके ठीक।
अरे ये क्या है? ऑटो में
ये क्या है सर? ये तो देखो सर, ये तो मुझे चिढ़ा रहे हैं।
सर ही शूटिंग ऑटो सर।
ऑटो?
या सर।
क्या है?
What are you shooting with?
मैनुअल सर।
Okay, so let me give you an example. Suppose you are stuck in traffic, bumper to bumper.
Okay.
From your office to home, every day you need to travel in bumper to bumper traffic. Which vehicle will you prefer? Geared one or automatic?
Automatic.
Why automatic?
Sir.
You will still reach home? Better comfort? So there is nothing like better and bad. Both will give you good pictures. Manual? Yes, if you have a lot of time, you want certain specific settings, well, shoot manual, what's wrong? Otherwise, auto will still give you excellent quality. There's nothing wrong in shooting an auto, right?
Myth number 4.
तुम शूट नहीं कर रहे क्या?
नहीं रे। क्यों? I don't like this flash photography bro.
सर ये देखो, ये क्या बोल रहे हैं?
क्या?
Sir, I don't like this flash photography sir.
Why?
Sir, this is looking very unreal sir.
Unreal.
Yes sir.
Because of flash.
Yeah.
Well, what is this?
Earphone sir.
If I listen it in the right volume, I can enjoy the music for longer hours, and also it will not spoil my ear. Flash is also like that.
Okay.
If you use it in the right amount, it will give you an equally pleasing image like available light, daylight, any kind of natural light. Samjha?
Myth number 5.
Why are you guys still here? Not shooting?
सर 2 घंटे बाकी है सर।
Why?
गोल्डन आवर के लिए सर।
Golden hour.
Sir, I know sir, we only get good photos in golden hour.
What? We are living in digital age. Understand? I know some images looks good in golden hour, but not all images needs to wait for the golden hour, man. Now, look at this. Now, this was shot during golden hour.
Oh.
But this afternoon or mid-noon, really? There are things that will look nice in afternoon sun also. Go find it. Chalo, get going.
Okay,
Get some good shots.
Okay sir, thank you sir.